especially when the 7 people want to do it, say Jamaica don't go again TV, out here ready for talk what's been going on in the country. And say it's getting like a Netflix series right now, Yeah, my people. Because I don't really understand what is going on. You see, Brochi, I don't know people. Yeah. So a cop allegedly shot son in Duane Park. Why? Why he shot his son? How that happened? We don't know. But we have to go find out right now. So a policeman is under investigation following the shooting and injuring of his son during an argument on Kate's Avenue in Duane Park, St. Andrew yesterday. Well, it's not actually yesterday, but we're just reading it as it is, people. Yes, my people. So according to the police reports, about 9:45 a.m., argument developed between the police and his son. A gun was brought into play. His son was shot and injured. A woman was grazed in the incident. When the news team arrived on scene, detectives from the St. Andrew South Police Division were busy gathering information and clues along with representatives from the Independent Commission of Investigation. Roy Sweden, what a name, who lives close to where the incident occurred, said the policeman is a soft-spoken and decent individual. He used to live at the house with his children and their mother, but he moved out, but is not a man who gives trouble, Sweden said. I don't know what people have bad things to say about police, but me can't. So you must say no, say people have bad things to say about police all the while. Cause more while police them have a bad reputation, especially when them don't know if to do them job properly. You understand, people? So it's basically, so the guy is saying he don't have anything bad to say about the policeman, He says he's a good person and he never seen a problem with him. You see, my people. So it basically the incident, we don't know how exactly the police end up shot his son, but it's really, but maybe his son test him faith. We don't know who to tell who wasn't there, But as the news team reported, as the news team reported, he must say, but him can't have nothing bad to say about one because he's a good youth who used to go to Adventist church. So it's a church goer people. And I want to know say it's not everybody is a bad guy, but sometimes people paint them out to be a bad person, So I want to know people for just know say this news is coming from right here. So and if you can do something and just subscribe to the channel, make me know what is what. Because people may have to hear on the thoughts and the views on what just go on. You understand? So people, just let me know. Yes, my people, on the other side of the news, guns seized at gangsters' funeral. So basically, people, the gangsters them rolling with them gun. Because say at any time something can pop off, but we're not supporting that habit still, because them should know better. Yeah, my people, them should know better because you're going to a funeral and police are going to do it, people are going to do it, brother. No, we're not using the head. Yeah, man. So my people, so 3 illegal guns and a motor vehicle were seized in Sidewood, Clarendon, on Wednesday at the funeral for slain gangsters. Slain gangsters. A slain or sliders. No, it's slain. So my people, so a gangster, slain gangster. Anyway, and Clarendon most wanted man, Fitzroy, OJ, Crow was being held. Several people who were at the funeral have been taken into custody as person of interest. Crow, who lead the Lion Paw Bushman gang, based on in the parish, was killed by police during an intelligence-based operation in Manchester on Sunday, December the 27th, 2020. Head of operation of the Clarendon Police Superintendent Christopher Phillips told the news that police personnel were monitoring the funeral process where they observed suspicious activity which targeted a joint police military operation. Information from the police is that the Operation led to the raid of the premises around 11:30 a.m., where a Smith & Wesson handgun, one Winchester shotgun, and a single action Browning were seized. It is interesting to note that all weapons were loaded and charged, disclosed Phillips, adding, "We suspect the persons ran from the premises. The find comes week after two illegal handguns and a 9mm rounds were reportedly seized in a joint police military operation also in Woodside." Crow was linked to several crimes, include the shooting of a two-year-old and the double murder of Malino March and Stephen Sharp in August 2019. The police also named him as a person of interest in at least 11 murders and 4 shootings in Clarendon, and a member of a criminal network operating in Clarendon, Manchester, St. Elizabeth, and St. Catherine. Philip, asserting a zero tolerance towards crime in the parish, said there would be increased policing in certain communities. The Clarendon Police Division will continue to actively monitor and access the criminal intelligence on our most problematic community, he added. Imploring youths to deter from pursuing a life of crime. He said, "As we work hard to ensure a safe Clarendon, we want to say to our gangsters who we observe are bent on living a life of crime to desist, as the police will continue to respond and offer the kind of service that will guarantee the safety of our community in Clarendon." So basically, people, you see, what go on. We need to change the ways if the country are better. Yeah, we can't keep on going. So. But my people, we have to just change the way, you know? Try to find it in an art for change. So yeah. I wanna run the show, you know, so let them know. And have a great day, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget.